For all of human history, we have looked up at the stars. We have seen the same moon. We have seen the same planets. We have seen the same distant suns. We have told stories about them. We have used them to navigate our oceans and mark our seasons. And in all that time, we have asked a simple, profound question. Are we alone? This question has driven our greatest thinkers, our most daring explorers, and our wildest dreamers. It is a question that sits at the very heart of what it means to be human. On a quiet Tuesday morning, on this very day, August 26th, 2025, NASA issued an alert. It was not the usual kind of alert about a solar flare, near-Earth asteroid. This was different. The alert was classified as a top priority, sent to observatories, space agencies all around the globe. It concerned an object detected entering the outer reaches of our solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune. This object was given the designation Atlas 31. At first it seemed like just another number in a long list of cosmic discoveries, but this number would soon change everything. The alert was concise and carefully worded, but its implications were staggering. It spoke of an object with anomalous characteristics. In the world of astronomy, anomalous is a powerful word. It means something does not fit. It means something is breaking the rules of what we expect to see in nature. Atlas 31 was not behaving like a comet. A comet would have a tail of gas and dust. It was not moving like an asteroid. Asteroids follow predictable paths determined by gravity. It was moving with purpose. It was moving as if it were under its own control. The name Atlas comes from the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, a set of telescopes designed to spot dangerous asteroids. But this was no asteroid. The system had found something far stranger, something it was not built to find. The alert triggered an immediate and unprecedented response. Telescopes all over the world, including the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, stopped what they were doing. They all turned their gaze toward this one single point of light. In the vast, dark emptiness of space, the world's scientific community held its collective breath. What they found has sent shockwaves through science and government. The initial data was confirmed, then reconfirmed. There was no mistake. Atlas 31 was not a natural object. The evidence, as we will see, points to one incredible, world-changing conclusion. It is a craft, a vessel, a ship built by intelligent hands that has traveled an unimaginable distance across the stars to arrive here in our solar system. For the first time in history, we have proof we are not alone, and the visitors are at our doorstep. The universe is a big place, and it seems we are not the only ones in it. The story of Atlas 31 began not with a bang, but with a flicker of light. The Atlas Observatory in Hawaii was conducting its routine nightly scan of the sky. Powerful computers were sifting through millions of stars. Tiny specks of light moved from one picture to the next. On a clear, calm night, the system flagged a new object. It was faint, incredibly far away, moving slowly. At first it was logged as a distant chunk of rock or ice. As more data came in, astronomers noticed something strange. Atlas 31 was moving in a nearly perfect straight line. And more than that, it was slowing down. Not like a natural object, but in a controlled, deliberate way, as if a driver gently pressed the brakes entering a new city. The first red flag. This was no ordinary discovery. The team sent findings to other observatories immediately. Soon, more powerful eyes were watching. Hubble Space Telescope, James Webb Space Telescope. What they saw was astonishing. Not a rough, potato-shaped asteroid, long, cylindrical, almost perfectly symmetrical, enormous, over a kilometre long. Its surface was dark, reflecting very little light. It looked less like a rock and more like a massive silent needle threading the darkness. Scientists worked around the clock, sharing data in hushed, excited tones. Every new piece of information deepened the mystery and strengthened an unbelievable theory. This was not cosmic chance. The shape, the size, the movement, all pointed to something designed, engineered, built. The arrival of Atlas 31 changes everything. It is more than just a scientific discovery. Our stories, our religions, our conflicts, our triumphs, we are all humans together on a small blue planet. This shared experience could bring us closer The mystery of Atlas 31 is the mystery of the cosmos itself. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover. Together we will witness the future unfold.